Algorand value equivalent to 2.0798 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.0368 to 2.0963. The earlier day close, 2.0553. The change was plus 0.0245. Plus 1.19%. Backwards rate. ZAR to Algo. Algorand cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, July 24. Cost 2.05 rands. High 2.19. Low 1.91. Algorand figure on Tuesday, July 25. Cost 2.05 rands. High 2.19. Low 1.91. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26. Cost 2.08 rands. High 2.23. Low 1.93. Algorand figure on Thursday, July 27. Cost 2.05 rands. High 2.19. Low 1.91. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, July 28. Cost 1.94 rands. High 2.08. Low 1.80. In multi-week Algorand figure on Monday, July 31. Cost 2.04 rands. High 2.18. Low 1.90. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1. Cost 2.05 rands. High 2.19. Low 1.91. Algorand figure on Wednesday, August 2. Cost 2.01 rands. High 2.15. Low 1.87. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, August 3. Cost 1.84 rands. High 1.97. Low 1.71. Algorand figure on Friday, August 4. Cost 2.12 rands. High 2.27. Low 1.97. In about 14 days Algorand cost expectation on Monday, August 7. Cost 2.03 rands. High 2.17. Low 1.89. Algorand figure on Tuesday, August 8. Cost 2.04 rands. High 2.18. Low 1.90. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9. Cost 2.04 rands. High 2.18. Low 1.90. Algorand figure on Thursday, August 10. Cost 2.01 rands. High 2.15. Low 1.87. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, August 11. Cost 1.99 rands. High 2.13. Low 1.85. In 3 weeks Algorand gauge on Monday, August 14. Cost 1.98 rands. High 2.12. Low 1.84. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15. Cost 1.88 rands. High 2.01. Low 1.75. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, August 16. Cost 1.83 rands. High 1.96. Low 1.70. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, August 17. Cost 1.76 rands. High 1.88. Low 1.64. Algorand gauge on Friday, August 18. Cost 1.82 rands. High 1.95. Low 1.69. In about a month Algorand cost forecast on Monday, August 21. Cost 1.77 rands. High 1.89. Low 1.65. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, August 22. Cost 1.88 rands. High 2.01. Low 1.75. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.50 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.50, while low cost 1.17. Found the middle value of cost 1.36. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 1.26. Change for November 16.0%. Algorand estimate for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.26 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.26. While low cost 1.05. Found the middle value of cost 1.18. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 1.13. Change for December 10.3%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at 1.13 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.28. While low cost 1.12. Found the middle value of cost 1.18. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 1.20. Change for January 6.2%. Algorand estimate for February 2024. To start with cost at 1.20 rands. Excessive cost 1.49. while low cost 1.20. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.32. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.39. Change for February 15.8%. Algorand cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 1.39 rands, excessive cost 1.51, while low cost 1.31. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.41. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.41. Change for spring 1.4%. Algorand conjecture for April 2024. Before all else cost at 1.41 rands, excessive cost 1.53. While low cost 1.33. The found the middle value of cost 1.43. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 1.43. Change for April 1.4%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at 1.43 rands, exorbitant cost 1.57. While low cost 1.37. The found the middle value of cost 1.46. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 1.47. Change for May 2.8%. Algorand figure for June 2024. Before all else cost at 1.47 rands, excessive cost 1.83. While low cost 1.47. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.62. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.71. Change for June 16.3%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at 1.71 rands, excessive cost 1.71. While low cost 1.40. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.58. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.51. Change for July 11.7%. Algorand figure for August 2024. At the outset cost at 1.51 rands, excessive cost 1.75. While low cost 1.51. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.60. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.64. Change for August 8.6%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at 1.64 rands, excessive cost 1.79. While low cost 1.55. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.66. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.67. Change for September 1.8%. Algorand conjecture for October 2024. At the outset cost at 1.67 rands, excessive cost 1.82. While low cost 1.58. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.69. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.70. Change for October 1.8%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at 1.70 rands. Excessive cost 1.85. While low cost 1.61. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.72. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.73.